In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce with n8n. By the end, you'll be able to securely link your WooCommerce store to n8n so you can build automations that pull in orders, update products, and streamline your workflows. First, open your n8n instance and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the Personal section, then head into the Credentials tab. This is where n8n stores the secure connection details for services you want to use. Click Create Credentials to start a new entry. It's a good idea to keep your credentials organized with clear names, especially if you manage multiple stores or environments. A picker will appear with many integrations. Use the search bar to type WooCommerce API, then select it from the list. Choosing the correct credential type ensures n8n knows exactly how to talk to your WooCommerce store using the right authentication method. You'll now see the fields for your WooCommerce connection. Have your store URL and API keys ready, specifically the consumer key and consumer secret. These are the credentials WooCommerce generates for secure access. Enter your store's full URL, including HTTPS if your site uses SSL, then paste in the key and secret. For the name, choose something descriptive like the store's environment and purpose, so you can quickly identify it later. Double-check for typos and make sure your keys have the level of access you intend to use, such as read or read/write, depending on your automations. When everything looks correct, click Save. You should see that the credential has been added, which means n8n can now authenticate with your store. With the credential saved, you can immediately use it in your workflows. Open or create a workflow and add a WooCommerce node. In the Node's Credential dropdown, select the new WooCommerce credential you just created. From there, choose the operation you need, like fetching orders, listing products, or creating a customer, and configure any required fields. Using a single saved credential lets you reuse the same secure connection across multiple nodes and workflows without re-entering sensitive details each time. If something doesn't connect, review the store URL format, confirm your keys are active, and ensure your site is reachable from the internet. Small formatting issues can cause big headaches, so careful review goes a long way. That's all you need to connect WooCommerce with n8n. Save your workflow, run a quick test, and start automating with confidence.